So there are a few simple items you would need, and as you can see here, I have this old vintage style clutch bag. It is very, very cute, very, very dainty, and I like the beaded handle that it has on here, or you can just tote it in this fashion as usual. Now for this installation, again, using something that is ordinarily a purse or a handbag, but of course, you know me, not a handbag on today. I am going to transform it for you into a little summer arrangement. And you'll start by, of course, opening up your handbag. And then you'll need, of course, some foam, some floral foam. And this is some foam that I had, some old foam. And you get your foam and make it fit in your bag or your object. Cut it to fit right inside, as you can see here. And it makes it stand up straight as well because it fits in a form-fitting manner for the bag. And I'm going to use this one as well, this round piece, because of course you'll need your flowers for your arrangement. And I'm going to use a few roses, very small, and I'm only going to use, it's a total of 3 stems of flowers and the accessory picks that I'm going to use with it, which of course, and then these 2 here in this very nice pink with a nice little yellow flowing with the green, as you can see on the flower. I like these in appearance because they appear very natural and real, even though they are of course faux. And some cutters to cut the flowers down to size to fit inside of your box, purse, or whatever it is that you're going to make your flower arrangement in. Now I'm going to start by cutting my stems, my accessory picks, just cutting them off of the bunch. This is just a quick little tutorial. You can do this in a sweet little girl's room, or on your vanity top, in your closet, or on your dressing table. This will make a really nice installation. And again, I'm not using many flowers on this one at all because it is small, it is dainty, and we don't want it to be too large in scale to outdo the size of the actual bag, because it is small. Arrangement that is just going to be forward facing. It is not going to be a complete round, so you won't see it from all the angles. You will only see it from its front facing. So I won't worry about adding flowers or anything to the back because you won't see that. It will be up against the cabinet, or it could be on your vanity, so you won't see the actual back. Unless it is in front of a mirror and it will be reflecting, then you might want to add a couple of fillers in the back. And what I like about this is cutting it to a certain height before you actually decide. You can decide, oh, that's too tall, I don't want it that high. So you can take it back out, cut it down even shorter, as you can see, and replant it in its spot. And I want to move my handle because I do want to see the handle of the bag when I am done with the arrangement. So I do want to drape it across and add that extra layer of interest along it. So I'm going to place the other see here, it's pretty low in size. And then I'm going to add in my fillers. And I do want the greenery added as well, the leaves that are on here. Now all of these blooms together, very quick, very easy. The total cost of all the blooms with a coupon, and I did purchase them from Michael's, they all came to $5.40 total. And my little bag, of course, was something that I already had. So here you have it, everyone, the little faux flower arrangement that is placed in a unusual container, which is the little clutch purse. And thank you for joining me. This has been Shenell, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button.